Hi, let's do a balloon experiment. Vinegar and baking soda make fizz. Look, the balloon is inflating. Cool science. Wow! See how gas makes the balloon grow? Hi, I'm Jin. Today I'm going to do a fun experiment. Wow, gas makes it grow. I need a bottle, vinegar, baking soda, and a balloon. First, I pour some vinegar into the bottle. Next, I put baking soda into the balloon. Now I attach the balloon tightly to the bottle. I lift the balloon so the powder falls into the bottle. See how it fills up? Science is cool! Wow, look! It's bubble! The balloon is getting bigger! What the? Vinegar and baking soda react. They make carbon dioxide gas. This gas makes the balloon inflate.